Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photo in Telegram. So if you want to send photo to someone and you don't want them to share it or save it to their phone, just want them to view it only once, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. The first thing you need to do is open your Telegram application. Once you open your Telegram application, you need to click on the chat of the person that you want to send disappearing message to. So let me use this chat. Once click on their chat, you need to click on this icon right here. Once click on the icon, you need to select the photo that you want to send to the person. Once you select the photo, you need to click on this icon Send with Timer. Once click on Send with Timer, this message is going to disappear with the seconds you pick, so if you select 3-second or any other options. Now I'm just going to send the photo to the person as disappearing. So if you have any question, drop it in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.